Yellow, yellow, baby. Howdy do? What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? Okay, you guys can hear me. Just want to make sure you guys can hear me. That's good. And I'm online on both the streaming platforms, YouTube and Twitch. So thank you so much for making this channel big. Like we are at 90, we are almost at 100 subscribers on YouTube, and on Twitch I'm at like 92 followers. So big thank you to everyone for helping me. Thank you, thank you for making me work hard. Thank you for making me work so hard and making me so happy with this, and making me just go one step further towards my dream every day. So thank you so much, everybody, for that. I just can't explain how big this is for me. So thank you so much. And before I start, so today will be all hacking. Today will be interesting because it will be full on hacking mode. And just okay, everywhere I can see the chat. Cool. See, so hopefully they can hear me, right? That was John Carpenter, Halloween theme music from 1973. And I'll just start sharing my screen and we'll go jump right into the hacking. So I'll just start my machine here. For next week, I have certain plans. I have to travel, but hacking won't stop. So I will be hacking, but from a different, from a laptop specifically. And so certain things might change, probably like the starting screen and all those won't be much of a thing. Let me just make sure I can come up with this side. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So those will be certain changes that will be coming just for 2 weeks. But after that, we will be back. I will be back. Same thing, same schedule and everything. So hopefully, doesn't cause much issue. And with that being said, let's get into a new room that was by TryHackMe's recently released. I think it was only 136. So 3 months, no, sorry, maybe 30, 60, 90, 120. So 4 months old. So pretty new still, I would say. Test your enumeration skills so on this boot to root machine. My laptop here, I can see everybody. From boot to root machine, amazing thing. So let's get going into this. We have our, let me close. Apologies. So video should be back. Yeah, should be back now. Just have to go quickly on here. Okay, sweet. So yeah, we were towards our Kali. Let's log in. Should have logged in before, but it's okay. Being just crazy busy and burned out almost all the time. So let's go to this. Sudo open VPN hackers pub Kali. Hey, what's going on? Oh, CD desktop and then works. So we are connected to the VPN, right? We'll go here, and I should have saved the last scan. So what I'm going to start doing, actually, I will instead of just pouring everything out, I'm actually going to save things, like a right way to do things. So here's our IP address. First thing is like, scan. First thing is basically scan. So that's what we'll start with. Sudo Nmap, and IP has changed. So we'll put this, but we'll output it to on desktop. Let's say TryHackMe. Oh, I have to make. So in mkdir, make a directory, lookup machine, and that will be inside TryHackMe. So this now should work. Sudo Nmap, the IP. Then we are just putting the output. So this will be the command, and then TryHackMe, we are going to give the right place, lookup machine, and we'll just say make a file. Oh, I should have. I don't know if it will work if I don't make it. So let's just try it. Make a file called nmap.txt. Kali. So it will keep running. One thing I know is that this gives me an interesting error here. I just need to copy this IP address. Lookup.thn, it keeps on coming like this, even though we haven't changed our etc file, right? Where we can just change all how the ports will look and all those stuff. So that's interesting. Let's do curl. Okay, this is running in the background, and we can quickly check. Yes, I want to restore file, open, desktop, TryHackMe, lookup, where's lookup? Oh, lookup machine here, Nmap scan. Okay, everything is getting output. So how much time it takes? So it will be taking 10 minutes. Interesting. Okay. Don't say this is not needed. Don't say maybe this might be needed. So one thing I want to check is curl. There's one thing is like we know port 80 from last time we did the scan. We know port 80 was working. I want to do a curl http / AV, what it says, location, lookup THN, basically. That's the location. Request completely sent off 302. So 302 not found. If I go here, what else it could be? So next. This is interesting. Like, so the app itself don't want to show off. It's not like it's giving error finding the site. Like if it is changing, then we know it's connecting. So you have to use our brain cells a bit harder in the even the first level. So let's read what it said. That always gives us some clue. So let's read. Lookup offers a treasure trove of learning opportunities for aspiring hackers, right? This intriguing machine showcases various real-world vulnerabilities ranging from web application weaknesses to privilege escalation techniques. By exploring and exploiting these vulnerabilities, hackers can sharpen their skills and gain invaluable experiences in HTML ethical hacking. Though lookup hackers can master the art of reconnaissance, scanning, and enumeration to uncover hidden treasures and subdomains, so there will be certain things. They will learn how to exploit web application vulnerabilities such as command injections and understand significance of secure coding practices. This machine also challenges hackers to automate tasks, demonstrating the power of scripting. This is recommended to use your own virtual machine if you are experiencing problem visualizing the site. Visualizing the site. Wait, what? So let's start our machine. So let's start their attack box too, because this is interesting. If you are experiencing problems visualizing the site. And don't give any other hint. And oh, it's by Jos MWDF. This guy has done so many rooms, built so many rooms here. And his write-ups are actually so good quality, so good quality. Better than a bunch of other people I have seen, honestly. Like no hard feelings to everyone, but like it's just his one is better. Like there will be somebody making better YouTube videos or doing better Twitch than me, so it's learning. Yeah. So let's see. And let me ask in the Discord too, just to make sure. I want to make sure like Discord tells us. I did in the room help one question. A site support. Room help. Okay. I am on the lookup room, and when I go to 302, it gives 302, so I don't think thing should be there. Okay. Now let's just open this in a new tab. That's much better. So let's look up here. No. So now what we need to do is, right, the information we have is that 302. So I want to start with a 302 status. HTTP 302 status, known as found or move temporarily, indicates the requested resource has been temporarily moved to a different URL as specified in the location header, prompting the browser to redirect the user to a new location. Okay, so if I go to that and the location is this, so if I go lookup.phm, could not resolve this. It could not resolve. What it said, 404 not found. One is it says public 404 not found, Apache, this. What I have to do, okay, let's check one thing. I will start like the, because I know the server is there. What I can do is derby big txt file. I want to see if this is the right one. Okay, 20,000 words is searching for those. So let's see if this works. I'm just thinking, how will I go if this is saying this could not be resolved? And it's not giving any information here, right? Oh, I'll make it bigger so you guys can see. Go to the look IP, I get 402, not 302, and 402 .ts. The room mentioned to use on the this could as not showing anything. I mean, it giving basically 404, right? So no, wait, it's not giving, could not resolve. Okay, let's see what they say. But till then, let's see. From our information, if so, it's moved permanently and couldn't resolve. When does a server say couldn't resolve? Which is essential for establishing connection. So basically, it's giving me like the DNS, because of DNS is giving that. Huh. Lookup 1.2. Do you guys have any idea? Maybe kind of stuck here. Couldn't resolve. Maybe port 80. I have to do a scan on lookup.thm then. But no, it could not resolve, so there is no IP attached to it. That's one issue, and that's worrying. DNS, get DNS records of it. So I think one of the things is get using NS lookup. Type A. Okay. So do I have NS lookup? This will be interesting. Okay. So NS lookup, I will say HTTP SS lookup.thm. Okay. What about the IP address? Of selection. I need to understand how NS lookup works, I guess. So NS lookup dash type in Windows. Oh, okay, it's Windows. So Linux and take domain, the actual domain, enter the and enter the press enter to get the IP address and other basic information. Okay. So I think for but it works with dig. Okay. What is saying? Global options command plus header. Okay. Session root server net. What is this? Okay, it's probably the server of the DNS because 53 I think belongs to that, right? No, not this one. Dig. I need to understand the dig output too. So let's say if I do actually for myself, I can do tryhackme.com. So IP addresses are given here. Here it's a whole different story. I see. Oh, I just have to, I guess, wait for this good guy to open up for me. TryHackMe. Open folder, lookup machine. 25 seconds left. Okay, thank God. I couldn't wait longer. And here it could not find anything. I think things have moved. And could not resolve lookup.thm. Nations. Okay, so if I go to was so etc file is one of those files where, let's say, just like your phone, you put a person's name like censored hacker, hackers pub, and like a phone number. Same thing here, where it's website and the address of the server. So sudo /etc, and this is just for your local, not like the whole world, but just for you. Oh, no. What is the IP? Copy selection. Okay, let's see. So basically just like this. Okay, this is the IP address and this is the local host is like your the website, the machine itself. So if I go to lookup.thm, I want this to open, this server. Okay. Oh, thanks KGB, you saved my ass. My brain would have been cooked otherwise. So if I do now go to the server itself. Okay, now it's working. He's number 1 though. That's crazy. Holy. So username and password. So let's start looking into this, I guess. And now I think I have to change my scans. Lookup.thm. And for this one is done. I'll do a do for lookup.thm. Oh yeah. So let's see what it says, but first let me close this extra window. Okay. File, open recent and map.txm. So if we see port 22 is open, port 80 is open. Did not follow redirect to lookup THM. Okay. So now let's look here. One of the main things of enumeration with the local username and password, first thing I look is like, and you won't believe, actually, I know certain companies that have accidentally put their username and password, dummy ones, in the comments. So it's crazy. Sometimes this happens. So I have just username and password. Okay. Memory, storage. I'll do maybe admin. Wrong password, please. So again, redirecting in 7 minutes. If I do first here, performance memory. Okay. Admin. All that gets. There must be some information in there. Burp suite, baby. Burp suite. I have to do that. Like, will it do that job for me? Let's see. Next start. Okay, admin. And if I do admin, okay, target proxy on. Here, proxy on. Here we are doing lookup THM. We increase the size for you guys. Font. This is much better than Wireshark because they increase their font properly. Change font to, let's say, 20. Display 22. So this is much easier, hopefully, for everyone here, right? Now let's look. One sec. Just making sure you guys can chat, right? There are no chats I have missed by any chance. Okay, good. Nothing. So pretty quiet today, which is fine. Sometimes it's like Monday, right? Everybody's burned out, I guess, already. Close Copilot. Now with the burp suite, it's gone to burp suite. Forward this. Let's see what we get. Good part is it won't go as stopped. Network get. Inspect. So I want to see it. So with the history, it did login. We got a simple file back. Now we are doing a get. And I think with the, there's the sitemap one. Or another extension, learn. No. So it's the sitemap. Login page, okay. Now let's go back to the intercept and let this go. Okay. So I'm actually now things I can come up with. Let's see. Did it find anything? Derby, Dark River, scanning 20,000, nothing. Assets is one I think I can check. Intercept off for a second. Not found. Ubuntu Apache 2.4.41. Two 2.4.41. Maybe simple. How about this? I'll try to do a simple SQL command. SQL injection, let's see. No, that didn't work. Maybe if I'm here, one thing I can do maybe is like with enumeration, I can either start bombarding it with the brute force with using burp feed. So what do you guys think? Like, should I do like maybe burp feed, like start bombarding this? Like if I send this to, I think, intruder, and I want to do with pitchfork attack, add this, because now let's say here with the pitchfork attack, right, there are two things. First, I want to change the admin name. Second is the password. So I will add two selection like symbols. So for the first admin, I want to load basically a simple, and this will do a proper permutation combination thing. So I want to see with the word list, what do I have? Derby, common txt, other, this is common dirt western, never mind. I have to get, what is a good one to go for? Security list will have some good. Usernames, I want small. I don't want thousands of those. So we did a top username shortlist. Okay. And then I want to go with this password. Here also I'll do it just small because or otherwise it will just go super big. Security list passwords, where is passwords? Common hash, common credentials, best 100 in. Okay. So these are top. Liverpool. Love you. Losers. Sorry. I watch a Signman video. They just make fun of Liverpool a lot. So they did try with the responses. What's this response? Everything is same almost. 355. What is the response? Same thing. 195, 195, 197. So if I go like this quickly, nothing big, right? Like nothing came extraordinarily big. Same thing. So nothing here for us. Now we have like brute force might not work for this case. What we need to make it work would be vulnerability hacking. So 2.4.41 with Apache. Is there a particular one for 2.4.41? I want to see. 38, 39, 4.41 mod DDoS attack with exhausting H2 workers. Memory corruption on early pushes. Could lead to overwrite of memory in pushing request pool. First network input sessions handling could be made to read memory from being free during connection shutdown. I mean, limited cross-site scripting in mod proxy. Okay. The link on the error page. Okay. Point to a page on that voice. This could be article where a server was set up with proxying enabled by stack buffer overflow null pointer defer. Okay. Reference this vulnerability could be triggered untrusted SUP clients. Self-referential might be fooled with encoded new lines. Okay. Above this is like open redirect. So it's mostly like around crashes and all those stuff. Nothing about like able to like bypass something, right? So don't save this. This is going. Oh, this finished. File open Nmap 2. Does this give me anything? Nope. Same result, so that's fine. I need to see, okay, HTTP server do not allow this. Okay. Hey, what should I do? No, basically, so where we at is no URLs found so far. No URLs found so far. No ports open other than 22. And I don't even know if there is one. If I just send like space and space, will that work? This proxy server is refusing connection, so probably website went down again here. Yeah, no. Okay. So if I do lookup THM, HTTP, refusing connection. I think it's this one. What is the IP of this? 10, 10, 170, 21. Okay. This is crazy, boys. It's refusing connection. If I just do curl lookup.thn, it's giving me this. But this right now is giving the disable. I'm just thinking now, what should I do? What would be a good way to get things again? Username, password with the login form. And what is this? It's a PHP one, right? Like it's login.php. So this is for this long username or password. Please try again. So user. Now here I can put, let's see. No. But I know it's PHP. And with PHP, there are ways. Pass PHP. Bypass PHP login form. And this is not, is this get? Post. Username, password. Okay. A minute sends with the burp feed. Oh, that's closed. Never mind. Post burp feed with this post method for login.php. What can I do with the login form? Yeah. Bypassing logins. Oh, what a website name. 7layers.com. Login.php, perfect. I'm playing around Bootstrap CSS and creating a few different types of login. And we're seeing the first example, we have a PHP login form that has shit baked into PHP. Viewing this. Login form. Stuff from user, password is this. So if I just hit it with, they did the same admin or 11. So if I do same again, but with different admin or one equals one. So I want to just see if I can do this. Proxy on, proxy, let me turn it on. Let's say I do admin again, admin, right? Oh, I have to turn on the proxy here as well. Admin, here, forward. Okay, but now I want to send it to repeater. But I want to say, let's say admin or so if I do a big one, admin. How this works. Intercept. Plus, but here I'm just crafting because the web browser sends it in its own way. So I would only want to send password. Let's say I send this. What it will do? Post response is this. Okay. Just send it to repeater. Okay, nothing. What if I don't send anything? Password. Nullify maybe. Yeah, breaking my head, man. Okay, I have to open a different Windows. Okay, never mind. Both have the proxy on. In the example, username login verified. What are the ways using authentication bypass using maybe I ask Perplexity, that might give me something good. You can go, bro. What are so I'm in a hard CTF room, and in the and given a PHP login form. What are the ways I can bypass authentication on the form? I have to type username and password. Username and password are let's see now what will happen. Okay, let's see this. Nope. The SQL is not working. Hard coded. We use valid session. If I've still forced to use okay, PHP type choose admin with the password hash starting with OE, result PHP main driver hash. Okay, so admin. No. Freaking hell. So if I go to login.php, what do I get? Okay. But if I get this recorded, login.php, okay. No session, nothing. What would be ways, man? I'm actually like starting to get tired of this. It's all PHP login form. One sec. Now, like with the login form, right? I have tried bypassing with SQL injection, all those. Like, I'm actually confused. Anybody have any idea what would be ways like I can bypass this authentication? Like, basically here we have login form. Oh, I have to disable the proxy. I have the login form on PHP. I want to know how I can basically bypass this. It's a PHP, I know that because of the freaking action form. PHP post method with username and password. What I can do? Anybody have any idea, like clues? What do you think I should do? Parameter, like I tried all these CSR tokens are missing or weak. No. Array injection. Submit to exploit PHP handling of array inputs. Oh, no. File inclusion, code execution. Page upload, shell upload. Okay. No, it's just taking those username and password. Fuzz inputs. Submit special characters. Trigger errors revealing server-side information. So we don't have a let's try that. Maybe server-side information. It's because it's not revealing anything, right? It's not revealing this too. So what can I do? How it would be taking? Why? No. And burp is not helpful at all in this case either, which is very sad. Okay, so if I go to repeater, tried this. No. So if I just remove the whole thing, nothing. Any information I can get from here, URL, no. Is there an ad started? Yeah, the ad has started. Sorry lads, I forgot. Do you guys see ads? Is anybody seeing ads? Are you guys seeing ads? If yes, then I can just pause, right? I will pause. Pause till ad ends. Please let me know. Thank you. What is this? Oh, nice. Hey, all those are working. Nice. Nice, nice. March has been the best month so far. Hopefully April goes bigger. Mm. Are you back? I didn't see any messages or like if you guys are seeing ads. If not, then I'll just start going back, okay? Hopefully that's fine. Let's get going. If you want, like, just let me know. I have the messages open on the side too. Okay. Login. There's login.php back. Config.php is a good call. Okay, no. So I have to look into this. Exploit db. Apache 2.4 buffer for remote code execution. Maybe 2.4.1 something. OpenSSL. Remote code execution and path traversal. What it does. So if I do echo content type, -d has body in it. Okay. Let's turn off the intercept for a second. This one admin like this. Simple repeater. Okay, close this one. Send this to repeater. Now let's see. With this admin, I want, let's say, admin. Hmm. Phone not found. Port 30. So if port 30 is not there, what should I do? One. Array server security vulnerability CVEs. Overflow SSRF denial of service information leak. Or is this one? Function. Okay. File 4. And so none of these work. So I can just say If the PHP login form is running Apache 2.4.41, the server itself may have exploitable vulnerabilities, but these would be typically required non-default configurations, specific conditions to bypass mod proxy HTTP and null pointer preference via malform content length plus transfer encoding header. Crashing the server, unintended behavior, uninitialized memory read in FTP backend, handling information leak. Okay, FTP at the port is not open, it's not, service is not there. Null pointer definition. Stack overflow unlikely to bypass. HT access. Check for HT access configuration. If the server allows HT access, overrides weak rules require all granted. So use tools like dir search to hunt unprotected directories. Dir search. Okay. What is that one? What does that do? Web Pathfinder. Huh. This didn't do anything. Not found. But can be installed with Kali. Let's see if the searcher can give us anything. My rule is basically for 2 days I will keep trying. On 3rd day I will give up. Okay. -u. Okay. There's starting extensions. This. I should have just given PHP extension. Who knows? I might find something. 403, 403. Oh, okay, I like the fact it's able to show me, unlike this one. Maybe. 403, 21% done. Okay. Huh. LFI via misconfigured aliases. Okay. So slash upload should be a thing then. Okay. So if that's login.php, yeah, I can try that. It's usually in www, so 1, then ht, then basically okay, then HTML, then var/etc/. Oh, it's taking off those too. Login.php is just found. Okay. I want to see proxies off. I hit it. Get this. What I got as a response. 404 not found. Oh, because it's giving that. Get this. So if I say len Intercept here. What I got? Bad request. Hmm. Nicto. Okay, maybe Nicto will be my guy then. Check debug endpoints. Okay, so Nicto is probably the guy. Drop, drop, drop. Nicto. Nicto, I will say URL. Okay, how to use it. Ask display DB check format. Da, 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 da. Dash U HTTP. What says now? URL. Apache anti-click checking X-frame header is not present. This could allow the user to render the content as saved. Okay. Holy, my brain is cooked, man. Okay, think about it. Real world vulnerabilities ranging from web application weaknesses. Scanning, enumeration, and all those stuff. Huh. Maybe a little bit hint might be helpful. Wrong. Zero, zero. What is this? Zero. Zero and yeah. Oh, attack. Not. But Password and this is getting somewhere. Wrong password, username or password. What would be? Let's try these last scans and then see how things work. That's what I want to see, is how things will work with these scans. No CGI directories, use C called, force check all. Appears to be outdated, current is 2.4.54. Okay. Just thinking, man. Styles.css. What else I can find? Oh no. HTTP. Okay. Username, input drop, label, both are required. This is so cool, man. I hate it. How is this easy? How is this easy? So with the reconnaissance, what are the ways for TryHackMe's reconnaissance? Let's see. When we go to TryHackMe, or TryHackMe here, TryHackMe, modules, right? Reconnaissance, rules, network, cloud learning paths, search, recon. What is it? Room type, not room type, modules. This is how the spelling is, right? A sense. I can't think. Unfortunate information gathering, network security, initial access. Okay. So if you are looking at initial access, learn DNS, advanced searching, recon, collect information about your target, weaponizing, understanding, exploring the domain, phishing. Okay. Hey. Excuse me. Built-in tools, big, NS lookup, trace route, who is doesn't work for this case, advanced searching. Okay, that's different. VDNS, try DNS records, showdown, loyalty code. Let's see what this one will do. So there's like sitemap for our bulk suite. Okay. Information gathering and availability, passive. Nmap, we did that. Passive protocols on the server, network security challenge. You'll chain whole thing, NS lookup, DNS dumpster. Okay. Oh. Active recon. We will have trace out telnet NC, so web browser. Okay, trace route just gives us the IPs, right? So not much there for us. Telnet, netcat. Holy. I don't know what to do. I actually don't know what to do. Server status. Okay. Maybe robots.txt is a thing on this. No, not found. What I can do, man. Scan the biggest list. Here. Here, Multigo is Nicto is working. Oh. So it has to be probably if Apache, what does Apache use? What DB Apache servers use? Basically commonly. Postgres, so MySQL, let's say MySQL and Postgres, okay. PHP SQL injection manual. Username. Oh, I can do the union select one type thing, maybe. Here, turn on the intercept. Intercept is on. Nice. Delete all. Intercept is on, so let's see. Here it has this, right? Username, password. And I'm looking at union one, whatever. Let's see if this is going to work. I hardly doubt. First, let me get this whole thing here, copy, send to intruder, send to repeater. It always keep on giving the lookup. Console scanner. So there must be subdomains, there must be enumeration, because if I do login, it has to go to a page, right? That's one big clue. Some common sense right there. Like if I do login, has to go somewhere, let's say maybe user, maybe somewhere. I don't know where, but it has to go somewhere. So if I go to Chromium, slash, let's say admin, maybe. If admin, not admin, index.html. Index what goes there. If not admin, what others would be? User. I don't want to look at everybody saying the same thing, even though I just kind of looked at it. Everybody's saying the same thing, so I just don't understand exactly what I could do. Anything. I'm actually like really tired. I want to make a progress, little bit progress, right? Like just little bit progress can help me. You guys can hear me. You can hear my pain in my voice. You can go, I'll turn on the intercept. Burp, repeater. If there is no password, if there is password. So PHP, let's see. Yes, admin percentage. Maybe I can do username, then just comment out everything else. So maybe like username like this, admin plus or 1 equals 1. Just how you to comment in PHP, I guess. Or SQL at least, I know. Star note Okay, just no, always same. Images. There's also images. Form URL encoded. Oh. SQL injection. Form bypass. There is no session cookie or whatever. I'll start with this. Some errors. Okay. And here in logging purpose, there's SQL injection, or you can log into hard-coded values. Okay. Dictionary tag. One thing I can do is just put it overnight and let it hack. Maybe a protocol. Okay. How to prevent user from authentication. Type CDF. Type juggling authentication bypass vulnerability in CMS. PHP tricks for web CTF challenges. Okay, let's see. I don't know. So require flag.php is okay. Excuse me. PHP, no signal, also blah blah blah. It's easy until you came across variable types and context in the variable is used. Measures fluid. Okay. As you start, as you have seen above, basically, that in PHP there is no need for specifying the types of variables. Rather, it requires only the name of the variable with its values. Okay. Type juggling is not vulnerability or flaw, rather it's a feature of PHP. As we have already seen, PHP is loosely type language, hence blah blah blah. Okay. So if I type a very large number, let's say, wait, it has a hash, right? Now let me just double this. Let me just see how much I can go further with this. And I break it? No. So much information still, it doesn't break, man. And here to its memory and stuff. Tile editor. Descend. The login is going. Filter setting. Lookup. Plan tools. Okay, so I'll just see lookup. That's good. Man, oh man. My brain is cooked. Like, there's no results from any of these. Like, server status, that's all. From big.txt. Holy fuck. If I do Apache wordless Dirbuster maybe. Apache username enumeration. No, directory list. There's a must. No. Maybe this. Not AI. Oh, there's AI now. They have fuzzing or discovery actually. Infrastructure, web content maybe. Web content, Apache. PHP fuzz. Apache.txt. If I want to see what this has. Computer. Kali. So I'm actually like, bro, I'm cooked. Like I don't know what to do now. So like I'm at user share where the fuck it is. Share word list. I'll just type word list. I forgot this. So word list, security list, discovery, web content. We have URLs. Drupal, WordPress app, no. Maybe let's see Apache, what does it say? Access log, all these are tried almost, so yes. with, I think, the researcher, right? Whatever that name is. That kid looked into these. 403 server status /php. Huh. Apache first text. Maybe I will try this one then. One was tested, login session found, 5 items reported on the remote host. Okay, great. So basically nothing found. So, oh, I wanted to go Apache one, right? Apache first. You can keep trying. Keep going, boy, keep going. Nothing, no problem with that. Okay. So, I don't know, man. I think today I will just let me pause the ads for a bit. Yeah. Room hints. I'm just thinking maybe tomorrow I'll go for room hints. Today not today. I'm just thinking what else I could have done with the bypassing. I know there's legit we made zero progress, I guess, today. But I'm really cooked. I need some help with this, I guess. Null in PHP. Oh. Mastering null safety in PHP. Okay, so if I go back. Also not found. Mm, fucking hard right now. Yeah, I guess this is 1 a.m. and I'm giving up right now. For just today, I'm giving up for now. I'm pausing, I would say. Not even giving up. I'm pausing. I'm pausing. One last search would be even with what are some SQL I did. Some PHP form a so this is advanced type juggling. So use passwords like these to explain zero unserialized like why I can't scroll though. Disable, right? Kali's hanging a bit. Oh, come on. Is this Firefox that's hanging? Oh, maybe because I started with bombarding it. The stuff. Yeah, intercept. Yeah, what the hell should I? Finally, okay, it's working. No, again. Yes, I'm super sure. Chromium crashing. Crashpad helper for Chromium here. No, Firefox also. This is going. You know what else is going on? The whole system crashed, I guess. What's RSS? 1 GB? Yeah. Equal 65 B78. Ah, bro, my whole system is cooked. Even though I have made it such a good system, it's still cooked. Okay, so like I freaking did every single thing right here. I did all the port scanning. I did with the Nmap. I did Buster. With the login form, I think now I have to like this uncover hidden secrets and subdomains. Once I log in, probably then only it will work for me. But this stupid machine has not working. Okay. Don't even see it. Okay, just kill it. Ah, what I could have done more. Is there anything like you think I can do more? Like with hacking, right? Like with perplexity or not even perplexity. Let's say if I'm going with PHP, um, bypass it. Bypass bombs. Bypass the login form. File upload bypass. Lying file uploads by end user especially if the full understanding of risk. Okay. Upload file. No. We don't have even upload file test. Only I really need to like do some research tomorrow on how to bypass this because I'm really cooked. Well, okay, guys, I think this is it for today. Like, even though we didn't make any progress, sorry, but like we tried so many things today. And this machine, I don't know how the heck. What is 60 points? Like, how the heck you get this? How the heck? He got 160 points and everybody else is at 60. I'm at 8. Everybody here is hacker legend, something. Holy, but I think, yeah, that's all I can say. Thank you so much for joining. On Twitch, I will start my ad, but on YouTube I'll just close streaming. Feel free to join me and ask me any questions on Discord. I'll be up here again, grinding, crying, whatever I will be doing. I don't know, based on how this CTF goes. Till then, thank you so much. Have a great day. Relax. Hopefully you are able to relax, unlike me. Till then, thank you. Love you. And feel free to let me know if you have any questions or anything you would like me to do. Till then, thank you. Bye for my YouTube and for Twitch. Please stay and watch some ads. Just grab some water. I was